I'm marrying that dude in that green hoodie.
Appreciate it.
I'm killing you. And I'm killing him.
Hey YouTube, today's video we have is a monkey video, and the question we will be asking is, would you smash, marry, or kill? So today's video should be interesting. I got my boys that participate in the video, man. Say your Instagram, man. You already know.
It's your boy Lil Vest, man. Y'all already know. Follow me on Instagram at Lil Vest and follow me on YouTube at Lil Vest. You feel me?
Yeah, you can just follow me on Instagram at fuck with Jordan. Nah, man, you already know.
Alright, so look, yeah, we finna do it again to this video. You know, it should be good. Hope we get some good reactions and some people. The screen record.
30 seconds.
Screen record started. 3, 2, 1.
Bang.
Now it's screen record. It did, right?
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure. Now, yeah.
How you doing?
Oh.
Hello.
So can you answer? You can answer a question for me.
Okay.
So to the dude to my left and the dude to my right,
What up?
who would you smash, marry, or kill?
Mary Smith Human.
Damn.
I fucks with it.
She quick with
Thank
it.
you.
You know I'm messing with it though.
That nigga fine. You smashable, but you flying too good. I gotta choose, so it is what it is.
Where you from?
It's with the best though.
Text, where you from?
I'm from Amsterdam.
Text me on Instagram. Text me on Instagram. I'ma add you.
Sure.
Hey, you is beautiful though.
I like you. You fine. I'm gonna marry you. That's why. Okay, bye.
See you.
Alright, but I'm.
You ready for me to just be quiet like this?
Fine. What?
How you doing?
Hey,
Fine.
So can you answer a question for me?
please.
Sure.
Okay, so to the dude to my left and the dude to my right, who would you smash, marry, or kill?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Let him get back in the camera song. Get back in the camera a little bit. Okay.
Damn, I got my shit.
He looks sweet as hell.
I wouldn't.
I'm trying to tell you, Mary, the one that green do rag.
I don't want to kill him.
I don't want to kill none of y'all. I'm trying to tell y'all.
I know it's a hard decision. It's okay.
You talking about the middle one?
Yeah. No one.
He look like he can be somebody's baby daddy, don't he?
Yeah.
Hey.
We got baby mama.
What? Okay.
Okay, no. I want to marry. I want to marry him.
Nah, we gonna do your friend next week. We don't
Yeah.
know.
You doing okay?
She got to get in the camera though.
It's okay.
No, friend. Okay. I'm marrying him. Who? I'm sorry, I can't kill. I'm
Nah, you can though. It's a video.
I'm smashing him. I'm smashing Dreadhead.
Fuck. I can't.
I'm not killing you.
I like it.
We
It's cool.
It's bro. It's just for a video.
We do this though. We do
I
it.
don't
Like,
even do light skins.
Man, all that.
yeah, I'm dark skinned.
I been getting killed all day like
I ain't gonna hold
they
you.
showing me no
I think I'm your
love,
color. I think I'm your
We from
color.
Chicago. We from Chicago, so that made me dark skinned. We from Chicago.
We
so that
fucking
made
got
me
the same tattoo.
For real, tell me why I been getting killed all day though.
I ain't gonna lie,
You feel
it's
like,
been bad for
they
him.
ain't been showing me no love on this
Hey,
app.
bro.
You feel me? They kill me all day. You feel me? They don't like me. I don't know why
Alright,
though.
can we hear what your friend want to say?
Go ahead,
Yeah.
friend.
Alright.
Okay. I think you're beautiful. I would marry you.
Thank you.
Same answers as her. I smash the fuck out of the dreadhead.
I'm
I'd have to kill you.
Okay.
Actually,
Thank y'all. Have a nice day.
thank you.
Wait, where are you from?
You too.
Where y'all?
Oh shit, where y'all
We from Spartanburg, South Carolina.
from? Carolina. We from damn in the chat.
I got killed 80 times. You feel me? Whole 26 minutes.
It's just my
I ain't finna get killed again.
How you
Are
doing?
so
How you doing?
so fine. You guys are so fine. You all should date. You should be my mom's like baby daddy's brother. Y'all are so
Can we
fine.
ask you a question though? Can we ask you a question?
What?
So to the dude to my left
Yo.
and the dude to my right, who would you smash, marry, or kill?
Okay. Okay, this is hard. I would definitely smash the one with dreads.
Okay.
Okay.
But you gotta marry one of us though.
Get in the camera more, bro.
I am.
Oh, I would definitely marry you. You are fine as fuck.
Okay.
Fine.
They tear me up now.
Annoyed as hell.
Ooh.
How y'all doing?
Hey,
How are you?
We good. So can I ask you a question?
Yo, what's up?
So the dude to my left
Yeah.
and the dude to my right, who would you smash, marry, or kill?
Oh, I would marry the dreads for sure.
Okay.
thank you.
Between us two now.
I appreciate it.
It was what?
Smash,
or kill.
marry, or kill.
She says.
You said smash. Oh, you said
You
marry.
said marry
You
already.
said marry.
Yeah, Mary, you gonna marry me, right?
Yeah.
So you
I
got
would have smash marry him
All,
and kill both of you.
all of them. So you gonna bow.
Bow, bow, bow.
All right. What
I'll
about your
take
friend?
it.
What about your friend?
I'm the same.
The same.
Bow, bow. They're done.
We did.
They're fucking done.
Nah, thank you though. Have a nice day, y'all.
Appreciate it.
How you doing?
I like the bedroom.
So can I ask you a question?
Yeah.
You got a friend with you too?
Yeah, right here.
Okay, so look.
Makes it better.
So out of the dude to my left and the dude to my right,
Yeah.
who would you smash, marry, or kill?
To who?
All us three. Smash, marry, or kill. Like, smash, marry, or kill.
Okay.
Marry, smash, and kill.
Same.
So marry,
Yeah. Marry,
smash.
And kill.
smash, kill.
Okay.
Okay.
What about your
Sorry,
friend?
bro.
What about
She
your
said
friend?
same thing.
That's
Same.
what I said, the same.
Okay. All right. Thank y'all. Have a nice day. Baby.
Liversteins. We can do it after the video next.
How you doing?
It's great.
For sure. So I was gonna say, all right, the dude, can you answer a question for me first? All right, so the dude to my left and the dude to my right,
Yeah.
who would you smash, marry, or kill?
I'm marrying that dude in that green hoodie.
Appreciate it.
I'm killing you, and I'm killing him.
Dang.
All right, fuck. All right, you got a friend with you? You got a,
Bob!
you got a friend?
Bow. Real simple.
You got a, nah, are you by yourself? All right, thank you.
All right,
Have a nice day.
Excuse me. Damn.
Bye. Have a beautiful time.